Alright, what's up guys? I'm gonna do some random shit in Photoshop. I don't know, that looks good. Alright, so I got a good picture already, and it's this one. So it looks pretty nice, and we're gonna make it so it looks even better. So let's get right into it. You already know what's about to happen here. Alright, so first I think I'm gonna add these. Just gotta make them bigger and do some stuff here. Alright, so I finished that thing. Then we gotta work on this guy. You already know we're about to just add more lens flares to this dude. Alright, I think I finished with the kid over here. So we gotta change the scenery a bit here. Oh hell yeah. You already know. His name's Satan, so it should yeah, that might not be good. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Alright, now this is our product right now. Alright, I think for the next one we're gonna add just let me show you. Alright, so I finished with the no use. We kinda gotta add something to the kid because you know he's suffering some extreme pain right now from the no use, so I'm just gonna add something real quick. Alright, so I found something pretty good and it was this, so yeah. Boom, he's dead. Alright, so we finished this. Now we gotta find out what comes out of this gun, because you know it's the kid. He's gonna shoot something, of course. Alright, guys, I already found something really good. So let me zoom in a bit here so you can see the text. Alright, there we go. And we just copy and paste it a bunch of times. Alright, so I finished that annoying stuff. And now I don't know if we should add the same explosion or a different one, but I'll see what I can find. Alright, I found a pretty good one. Alright, well I added something else, and that was the names to them. So this one's Normie Shooter, this one's Normie Shooter 2.0, and I think they have a pretty good name to it. So you know, I'm trying to think of other things I can add. Okay, I got a better one. Smash that motherfucking like button. And some emojis. You already know, you guys watched the Emoji Movie, right? Right? Alright, so yeah, this is the meme. I'll save this shit because you know it's probably my best work. Leonardo da Vinci version 2.